This is the sketchiest burnout box I've ever seen in my life.
This is us doing a bunch of hood rat shit down here in Wakefield. We're waking up Wakefield.
What is up, YouTube? How is everybody out there doing today? I hope you guys are doing fabulous and having a great time. As you can tell, we are in a 2015 Z01 Camaro. The gray one from New York. It ended up back down here last night. The customer had a little bit of a scare with it. Excuse me, I'm dying. The check engine light came on. It was a knock sensor code. He didn't really want to drive it anymore, and so he was like, you know what, Andy, I'm just gonna have it towed down to you, have you check everything out, make sure everything's good to go, and then we'll bring it back to New York. No big deal. I was like, yeah, no problem. Shouldn't take too long. You know, pop it on the lift real fast and see what's going on. The code was cleared, and we decided that to take it on a little test drive. We need to take this thing on a little bit of a test drive. You know, my buddy is having a car show at a church in Beach Bottom, and I figured that would be a nice little drive for this car and take it down there. So far, so good. Everything's driving fine. No more check engine light. The car's driving perfect. So we're gonna get down to the show, check it out. Supposedly they do a lot of burnouts, and it's a shit show basically. We're gonna head down to the show, see what it's all about, guys. Oh my God. Holy shit. Yeah, we're getting kind of crazy here. 2015 ZL1 here. One of my customers from New York. We just decided to park here in the grass. We'll talk more about this here soon. High gear. There we go. Going. You want to tell everybody what this is all about?
This is us doing a bunch of hood rat shit down here in Wakefield. We're waking up Wakefield. Down here in a little town of nothing, and we decided to buy some burgers and bring some hot rods around, and everybody does burnouts and has a good time. So come on out. It's always the second week in July, second Saturday of July.
So you'll have this same time next year?
Same time next year.
No shit.
It gets
burgers and burnouts, right? Burgers and burnouts.
This is our third year, and it's doubled in size every year.
I was going to say, this is a nice... I want to see one of the Peterbilts and Kenworths here.
Probably will. I think the blue one might do it later.
Really?
Yeah, the red one he said he won't because it's a brand new truck. It's a 19, I think.
My God. You know how cool that would be to see that thing do a burnout, dude? That would be ridiculous. Oh my gosh. just happened? What just freaking happened?
Wow.
That was ridiculous.
I couldn't see you.
Oh my god. Oh my, look, he disappeared. He disappeared. Take a little break from the burnouts and look at some of these cars. We were looking at burnouts the whole time.
Yo, check this out.
Lower than your granny's nipples. Look at that. For use as a motor fuel only, contains lead. Nice.
That's a goal.
This is pretty cool. I've always liked, oh, look at that. He's coming into a burnout too. I like the interior. Saddle seat interior. Look at that. That's pretty freaking neat. Little small block 350 engine. Oh yeah, look at that. Pigs are getting it on. They're getting it on. Here, I want to build one of these, but I want to build one of these with an LSA motor in it, or like a C6 LS7 or something, with all modern technology, fuel injection, all the bells and whistles. One of these days. Alright, so we looked at a few cars and I noticed some noise going on over here, and I was kind of curious what was happening. And I guess they have a car over here that you can literally go beat the crap out of with like a sledgehammer and stuff, which is really weird.
Sounds awesome.
But also really cool. And they have like, look at this. Oh my god. This is hilarious.
Yeah, kids doing it.
Don't get it in your eyes. I'm not taking you to the hospital. Oh, thank you. I like your shirt, America. Come on, Zach, give it everything. Oh my god, that's oh my god, Zach. Look at this little, he's living his life over here. Did you get your rage out? Your teenage rage?
Yeah.
Now you just need a haircut and you'll be good to go.
Definitely.
Yeah, you are going on the YouTube channel.
What's your YouTube channel?
Diablo Formula Racing. This is the sketchiest burnout box I've ever seen in my life. I'm having a great time. Thanks for the invite. Tons of burnouts, amazing time. I love your face. I mainly came down here to see you. That's why I'm here. You know? Where you going, buddy? Where you going? What is this Mustang doing? Oh my god. Oh, the Mustang's back. There might be a new driver now. We might have a new driver.
He's lining up to like hit us.
Yeah. There we go. Keep it going.
Hey, get that turn the fuck out of here.
Oh my. guys, we are back at the shop. Park this thing. Actually have, what the hell is this? What is going on here? We have another car here, guys. What? I don't understand. There is a convertible ZL1 here. Let's go take a look at it. Holy smokes, guys. This one doesn't have a license plate. Look at this. If you guys don't remember this car here, this particular car, we haven't seen this car in years, to be honest. We have not seen this car in years, guys. This is crazy. Crazy. So, way back when, way back in, let's get the lights on here. Way back in the golden olden days, when there's like ZL1s all over the damn place here, we had these two guys, twin ZL1s in the shop. We built them both at the same time, and the Lewis's, the one in the rear there, that one is a heads cam, ported blower, pretty much everything E85, methanol, everything. This car here is pretty much the same exact build, the mirror build, but no E85. And I think it put down like 740, 720 to the wheels, something like that, on methanol and just bolt-ons and heads and cam, and that was it. And this is a convertible. So I'll tell you a little story about how this car is here and why this car is here. So yeah, so basically, the convertible ZL1 has been owned by many different people, including the original owner that I built the car for. And I've always been contacted through Instagram by people about this car. People, you know, buying it and saying, hey, I've seen that car for sale here, I've seen that car here and there, so on and so forth. We know you built that car, what's all done to it, how much horsepower did it make, etc., etc., etc. And I would always talk to the people and tell them this, that, and the other thing, and let them know what the car has and what it was done and who owned it previously and so on and so forth. So the dealership that now owns this car contacted me. They got traded into the dealership again. Called me up and said, hey, we want you to look over the car a little bit. We want you to make sure everything's right, everything's fine, and we want you to re-dyno tune the car because it feels like it might be a little down on power. It looks like somebody might have been in here messing around that shouldn't have their hands in a car. The last person that did tune this car was Jeremy from ATOTO, so technically, hopefully, that should be the tune that's on the car still. If not, then we're gonna have to start over and you know, see what's going on, and hopefully, you know, try to figure out if somebody was in this tune already to fiddle with it or not. It does have a snow methanol kit on it, so it looks like somebody might have been adjusting that. And they were also telling me that the wideband doesn't work in the car anymore either. It goes really, really lean, and it runs really, really rich at wide open throttle, like 10 ohms. So somebody more than likely either messed with the methanol and is injecting too much methanol in this system, or messed with the tune on the ECU regardless, and now we gotta, you know, look at that and hopefully figure that out. But both these cars are going to be here for a while. We have a whole bunch of vehicles in front of them, unfortunately, that we have to do. But they wanted to get it down here. That way I could kind of take my time with both the vehicles and have them for a while and not be rushed on getting them done. We have, you know, 3 vehicles in the shop. We have some other vehicles outside that we got to still tear apart and do. So we have a lot of work here. But other than that, guys, we're going to end the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed the burnouts and the car show, and the twin ZL1s are back. Hope you guys enjoy that. But like I said, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Instagram, Diablo Formula Racing. Facebook is also Diablo Formula Racing. Deuces, guys. Oh, you guys are still here? Wow, well, since you're still here at the end of this video, I do want to definitely give you a thank you for supporting the channel, and I want to give you a big thank you for watching the entire video. And if any of you guys are going to be in Las Vegas area September 20th for the Storm the Area 51, y'all know what I'm talking about. We're going to be clapping them alien cheeks, guys. It's going to be fucking amazing.